Hello guys, welcome to your knowledge kit where I share the information about scholarship, study abroad, visa processes, work opportunities, and the other opportunities you may find abroad. So in my previous video, I shared with you free universities in Germany for international students where you can study for free. So today I will go through the application process for one university so that you can be able to follow me if you are interested in doing the application. The university which I'm going to use today is the University of Hamburg. You can follow me as I do this application, as I show you the application. So if it is your first time to come across this channel, please consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We go straight to the University of Hamburg. As I said, at this university, you can do the application is free. You do it online, and I show you the steps to follow, and also the tuition fee is free, but you may pay. It is mandatory to pay the contribution fee ranging from 290 and to 340 euros per semester. So for everyone who will be studying at these universities, you have to pay some contribution fee. The language of instruction, as I showed you in my previous video, is German and English. Most of bachelors are taught in English, and I will be sharing with you the masters which are taught in English. So my video today will mostly be concerned with English masters. Under the studies, we go to application, then we go to masters. Under masters, we look at the requirements, admission, deadlines, and criteria, and the contact. So the requirements are for masters are mostly the same in the universities. You have to provide your first degree certificate and also the transcript. Also, you show the language proficiency. In this case, you will show the English certificate. The entrance requirements, I said, these are the requirements. And the admission process, what you have to do, process or the admission, you go to the application. Through the video also, I will take one program, then do the application, show you the steps follow in the application. We go to the direct online application. You will create on the application. You have to create an applicant account, which is this. You scroll down, you fill in all the informations. After filling in all the informations, you go to create. Then you will have to choose the course which you are interested in. You upload all the required documents, motivation letter, CV, degrees, and language proficiency. Then you go to submit. Let's go back. After submission, you will wait for the feedback, and in case you have any problem through this process, you can always reach the university to get more informations. And the time for application for international masters, it is February 15th until 31st of March. So we go to deadlines. As I said, the deadline is for international master's program which are English based, 15th to 31st, and this is the list of the English programs. These are African languages, Buddhist studies, economics, Indology, integrated climate system science, intelligent adaptive systems, innovation in languages, marine ecosystem, molecular plant science, ocean and climate physics, peace and security studies, physics, politics, economics and philosophy, world science. So these are the masters offered in English. So don't hesitate to apply. Even if you don't know German, these masters are taught in English. If you are interested in one of them, so you can follow me. I will take, for example, economics, show you how you will go about. This is a simple application which you can do by yourself. Once you click for economics, you will see the description of these masters. It is a Master of Science, which is under the Faculty of Business and Economics. The program at the end, you will be offered a dual degree option where you will graduate with 2 masters and the duration is 2 years. And if you have done your first degree program for 4 years, you may do this program within 1 year. The teaching language is English, so don't hesitate. If you don't know German, in this program they teach in English, and the application period is 15th of February to 31st of March, and tuition fee is none, but semester contribution. As I said, you will have to pay some semester contribution, which is around to 90, 340 or 290 for a reduced fee. Program description you can read by yourself. So let's go to the application, applying. Applying, you'll get the general admission requirements. As I said, it is about your first degree and the language, and you have to do the online application. The criteria for admission, the evaluation, it will be based on your academic background and also on the motivation. So these are the process you have to go through them. Admission requirements, online application, documents to submit, selection criteria, admission and enrollment, and also contact in case you have a question. You can also check on frequently asked questions of these masters. If you have any question, your question may be answered through these questions. So at the end of the video, I will provide you a PDF where you can get all of these full informations without going through these different steps. Admission requirements, you can check admission requirements as I said above. You have to provide a degree, first degree in English or in a related subject, and you read all of these informations. What the English proficiency, you read the kind of language which you need, and also online application. You apply through the online portal where you create account. As I showed you, you fill in your information and you enter all the information, you upload the required document, also you choose the course, then you submit electronically. You don't have to submit your hard copy. No, you upload them electronically, and that's it for master's program. The documents to submit, they are the degree and transcripts. You can also the proof of English, and you can read all the requirements. Selection criteria, I said you will be judged according to your education background, data of motivation. 50% of your grade and 50% of motivation letter and recommendation. You can always reach me for motivation letter to help you. I'm happy to help you if you are in need. Admission and enrollment, you will wait for the results. Once your results are declared, you are accepted, you will have to go through enrollment. So the contact, you can always reach the website to get the contact through this application and to know the feedback. So as I said, that I will share with you a PDF where you can get this information easily. This is the document. It is about 22 pages, but all the information about not only this Masters of Economics, but all the masters at this university. You can get either bachelor's or master's, you can get all the full information. Admission, application, selection, admission, enrollment, general information. All of these informations, once you click on each title, you may get the desired information. So the preface, dear applicant, we are delighted that you are interested in studying at the University of Hamburg. To ensure that the application procedure runs smoothly, you can find all of the information on deadlines, the documents to submit, and the general application and enrollment procedures at the University of Hamburg on the page below. Should you have further questions about applying and enrolling, use the contact option. So as I said, through your application, you can always reach university for assistance. So guys, this was the university. If you have a problem during your application, you can always reach me for your orientation. As I said, I shared a list of 8 free universities where you can apply. So in those universities, this is the one of them, and the other list you can get them from yourknowledgekit.com. Your Knowledge Kit is the website where you can get all the informations. Not only this, but you can also look for other available opportunities at yourknowledgekit.com. Also, you can always reach me on info@yourknowledgekit.com or on my WhatsApp number, which is always provided in the video description. So thank you. See you in the next video. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider to do so. See you and good luck.